After doing so, stand back and assess whether centre items are positioned correctly. Take note, table laundry may not be folded directly with a middle crease. Napkin and cutlery. After completing the first step, you then move on to preparing the napkin. Once you've completed this, you move on to the cutlery. Using a service plate, position polished cutlery on the middle table. Join fork to the left of the napkin by ½ inch from the table edge and join the knife to the right of the napkin, blade facing to the left. The space between the knife and fork should be approximately 12 inches. Take this to note as there may be some questions asked about this at the end. Ensure all covers are positioned correctly in line with the other settings on opposite sides of the table.
You always need to make sure that your napkins are the same size so it's consistent throughout the whole restaurant. And also make sure that your side plates are always beside your fork.
Side plates are an important step as it will ensure that your table is in line. Place polished side plate to the left of the fork by ½ inch from the table edge, leaving enough room for starter cutlery. Place side knives on the side plate with the blade facing to the left, tip of the handle parallel to the knife and fork. Ensure the opposite settings are in line with each other, and to do this you would stand back and check your table. Glassware. This is one of the last steps. Using steam and boiling water and a clean service cloth, polish all required glassware, ensuring that the stem and base are all adequately polished. Do not touch the bulb of the glass with the fingers when polished. Lift the glass by the stem. Using a salver, carry glassware to the table. Position water glass above the main glass by 1/4 of a space. After the table has been set, double check all cutlery and glassware are positioned correctly to ensure that your table not only looks but catches the eye of customers. Thank you for taking the time to listen and review our presentation. We hope you came away with more understanding regarding table settings. Now we're going to move on to a few questions. What is the first step in setting your table after you've put the cloth on?